So 7th sum for your homework ma, the same model. Okay, same model for 7th sum. I will teach a 8th sum. You will do for the 7th sum. That will be very easy. That's why I am taking the 8th sum. Okay, so 8th sum is nothing but I am having a A set, y equal to a plus 1 by 2, a in a whole number. So my a value is whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 because less than or equal to. So in this place n is a whole number, so my 5 n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because less than 5. They're directly given for C. I'm going to find out a value. Given equation is what? Y equal to a plus 1 by 2 in A. In A. Okay, A la kuduthirukanga illaya. So what are my a value? A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A equal to 0, a equal to 1, a equal to 2, a equal to 3, a equal to 4, a equal to 5. What are the values in this place come? Y equal to 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Y equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 2. That's nothing but 2 will get cancelled 1. So y equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, so 3 by 2. So y equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 4 by 2, that's equal to 2. Equal to y equal to 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. Y equal to 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 6 by 2, that's equal to 3. So cancelling this we are getting a 3. Okay, so what are the value we are getting? 1 by 2 1, 3 by 2 2, 5 by 2 3. Okay, so set A equal to 1 by 2 1, 3 by 2 2, 5 by 2 3. These are my set A. Then set B, you are going to find out set B. Given equation is y equal to 2n minus 1 by 2, that n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so n equal to 0, that implies y equal to 2 into 0 minus 1 by 2. 2 into 0, 0 minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 0 plus any number, 0 minus any number, the same number, right? So n equal to 1 or equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. So 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Okay, then n equal to 2. That implies y equal to 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2, 4 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. N equal to 3, that implies y equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2, 6 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2. Then n equal to 4, that implies y equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 by 2, 2 4s are 8 minus 1 by 2, so 7 by 2. Okay, these are the values. So how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So what is my B? B equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Okay, so I find out A, C, and they already given set C. Okay. So what they given? A union B LHS A minus B union C. So B union C means B value is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Union, what's the C value? Minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Okay, first I can write the same values, minus 1 by 2, then 3 by 2, Okay, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Then the fraction values I am writing 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, all the value I did, comma, in this place balance is minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, then A minus B union C. So what is my A value? 1 by 2, comma 1, comma 3 by 2, comma 2, comma 5 by 2, comma 3, minus this value minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 comma 1 comma 2, right? So the common values are cancel, means same values are subtracting, right? 1 by 2, by 2 cancel, 1, 1 cancel, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cancel, 2, 2 cancel, 5 by 2, 2 cancel, 3 alone balance. Subtraction in this set only we are going to see. So I am having single. It's the first equation. Then in this place RHS, going to find out your RHS, A minus B intersection A minus C. So what is the first you are going to find out A minus B. A minus B for what's the A value? 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3, minus what's the B value? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, comma 7 by 2. These are values. So subtraction means subtracting 1 by 2, then 3 by 2, 5 by 2, that's it. So balance I am having 1, 2, 3. So I am having 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then A minus C, we already know A value 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3, minus what's the C value? C value is minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2. These are the C values. So going to neglect. So what are the value we are going to neglecting? 1 by 2 there is a minus 1, so it's not neglect. 1 no, so 1 1 cancel, 3 by 2 3 by 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 5 by 2 there is no 5 by 2, there is no 3. So I can write 5 by 2 comma 3, correct? So then going to intersect A minus B intersection A minus C. So 1 by 2 comma 3 intersection 5 by 2 comma 3, that's equal to, what is the intersection? Common number is 3 alone. So 3 is the second equation. So first equation, second equation is common. From 1 and 2 we get LHS equal to RHS Ian's rule. That's it.